Okay, today I'm working on my Echo SRM 230 weight eater, and it won't start. So I'm gonna have to take off the spark arrestor right here and change out the screen. So that'll be my next step. Okay, this takes one of these 5/32 bits right here. So I'm gonna try it. Start on this side over here, like that. There's one bolt right there. Okay, here's another one down here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Okay, one bolt right there. Okay, you can see the head on it. It's like that. Okay, I already took out this other one over here. I loosened it. Okay, here's the second one. And this comes off just like that, 2 bolts. So go over here, you got to take off, I think either these 2 or these 5 right there, Phillips head. And I think I got a bunch of them right here. My screwdriver set. Okay, it's kind of rusted on there. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Okay, there goes one. Second one. There goes the third one. Okay, there's the other one. And here's the last one. So I'll go ahead and pull those out and I'll come back. Okay, this should come off right here. Try it and see if I can get it off. There it went. Okay, this came right off. But I think the screen is behind here. Try to pull this off. Okay, I think this comes off right here. Or maybe it stays on. Okay, I can see the screen behind here. Okay, it's back there. So these stay on like that and like that. And I gotta pull this off, I guess, to get to the screen back there. Okay. Let's see if I can break this. Yep, there it went. There's one, and here's the other one. Okay, there it goes. So I have to pull these off. I'm not sure if that comes off or not. Okay, this might just come off right here. Yeah. This whole thing just might pop out right here. Yep, and there's the screen right there. Okay, you see that? But it's not clogged up, so. So what I have to do, I'm going to go ahead and clean this anyway and put all this back together. I'd have to take off these two bolts right here. Let's see what that'll do. Okay, this screen is not clogged up, so I'm just going to put everything back together. Starting with these two bolts. This goes on like that, or the screen goes on first. I'm not sure if that was on correctly. But it goes something like that. This one on behind it like that. Yeah, it went just like that. Then the screen goes on like that. It goes something like that. I'll get it here in just a minute. Okay, the way I got it is like the screen goes behind this right here. This goes kind of up against it like that. This goes like that. And you turn it around. And I'll get a bolt. Get it started. Like this. So it goes something like that. Okay. Let me get a bolt. Get it going. Alright, if I can just get it lined up. Okay, it's going to take me a few minutes. Okay, I got it going. I got 2 bolts going already. So, go ahead and tighten these up. Here's the 3rd one. It's 5 total. Okay, I finally got it together. Took me a while to figure it out. Okay, the screen is fine. I got it back on here. You have to put the bolts on at the bottom in order to hold the screen in there so it wouldn't fall off. Okay, now going to the next step. Right, I got these 2 screws right here. Put these back on. Got one on this side. Then one at the on this other side right here. Okay, that's that one side, and got this side over here. Okay, that bit came off. All right. Okay. So I got that on.